Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best sleeper sofas on Amazon. Sleeper sofas are versatile pieces of furniture that can function as both a sofa and a bed. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Hanbei Sleeper Sofa. If you have pets around your home, then you should consider taking the Hanbei Sleeper Sofa. With its modern look and functionality, this couch stands out amongst other furniture pieces. The solid wood frame, 100% polyester fabric, and high-density sponge provide a sturdy and comfortable foundation for the entire couch. Perhaps one of the best features of this sofa is its modular design. All of the individual components of the couch can be moved and reconfigured at any time, allowing you to create a custom look and design as you wish. Furthermore, each seat features a hidden storage compartment underneath it. These compartments are perfect for storing any items such as toys, blankets, and remote controls. The durability of this sectional sofa is also impressive. What we like about it: modular design allows for adjustment. Individual sections provide flexibility. What we don't like about it: not the most comfortable if you are tall. Number 2. Mopio Sleeper Sofa. The Mopio Sleeper Sofa offers a timeless appeal and is perfect for any occasion. With a mid-century modern-inspired design, this sofa provides firm support and comfort, and the split-back fold-down backrest allows you to sit, lounge, or sleep. The space-savvy design ensures that you can maximize your space usage from day to night. The adjustable feature allows for each seat of this futon sleeper to be adjusted individually to an angle of your choice, so you can ensure your customers every time. The soft grain and matte finish of this sofa adds an outstanding touch. Combined with its quality and affordability, it is the perfect balance of style and comfort. Overall, this particular sleeper sofa is the perfect addition to any living area or guest room. What we like about it: soft leather material. Supports up to 200 pounds. What we don't like about it: legs are made of plastic and may be weak over time. Number 3. Deviant Sleeper Sofa. The Deviant Sleeper Sofa is a perfect complement to any home. The finish is sophisticated and stylish, making it Devon complement any Devon decor. The material of polyester fabric is soft and smooth, ensuring comfort for long nights of relaxing or watching movies. The tufted back gives the sofa a T of classic charm, adding to its overall charm. The storage chaise feature is ideal for anyone with limited space or anyone who enjoys an organized home. Easily store blankets, pillows, books, and anything else that needs storing without taking up any additional floor space. And you don't have to worry about transferring items from one place to another because the chaise seamlessly transitions between the two sections with ease. What we like about it: sturdy, no creaking or wobbling. Easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: the couch does not include throw pillows or other accessories. Number 4. DHP Sleeper Sofa. Are you on the hunt for the most affordable option on the entire list? Check out the magnificent DHP Sleeper Sofa. Its vintage design features soft velvet upholstery, tapered wooden legs, and vertical stitching, with a button-tufted design on the back cushions. It is the perfect piece for small living spaces as it is multifunctional, with its split-back design, allowing for multiple positions and padded armrests for extra seating comfort. Padding under the feet provides protection for your floors from scuffs and scratches. The sofa sleeper bed offers quick and easy assembly that ships in one box, with clear and concise instructions included. It has a weight limit of 600 pounds, with the net weight being 109 pounds. What we like about it: sturdy and durable build. Easily fits through doorways. Firm but comfortable sitting. What we don't like about it: reduces the seating capacity. Number 5. Lexicon Sleeper Sofa. The Lexicon Sleeper Sofa is ideal for those who want the ultimate in comfort and style. Its polished microfiber upholstery adds a touch of sophistication to any seating area and provides long-lasting durability. The sofa features a reclining seat at each end, connected by a center drop-down tray with a charging station and cup holders. The USB port enables easy charging of devices while providing easy access to media collections. This piece of furniture is shipped in one box and requires assembly, but includes all the necessary components for the center backrest. What we like about it: super comfortable padding, attractive construction design. What we don't like about it: no adjustable headrest. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.